Finding Your Own Voice is a workshop I created for males in grades 6 through 12. It is a self-discovery workshop, cleverly disguised as a vocal workshop. In it, I have young men begin by focusing on breathing and just a sigh. They all laugh. It's fine. We deal with that. And then we begin, a little shimmy to get the body moving, and then that moves into some light vocal exercises. Halfway through, though, I have them understand that, your voice is changing. You may feel different every day. The girls may laugh when your voice cracks. But what we do as men is we walk around many times defending our masculinity. This is how we are taught in this country, in this society. It's what it is, right? But the kids begin to relax. And then I tell them about the bro code, how they have to support one another because they're the only ones who understand what this development, this point in our lives of adolescence and beyond really is. And then we can sing without fear of making mistakes because you have 6 to 12 other guys who are there supporting you, who understand you. I finish off by telling them, listen, this is not, it's not important that the females in the choir or around you understand what's going on. You understand what's going on. I tell them what my teacher told me. Connect to the breath, find the emotion, and sit in it for a while. The benefits of this workshop are many. You connect to your true self. Through breathing, you get rid of all the stuff that we take on every day as human beings and the stuff that we're taught to take on as men. I always like to say this type of work for males at this age really helps them to not concentrate so much on the things that men do, but they concentrate on being men. Two different things. Finding the breath and having the emotional language to express it in song opens up a new emotional vocabulary for our men. I think if our men who then become future leaders of tomorrow have this emotional language, we'll be okay.